Hi guys, I'm going to, this is the damage the itch did to my truck. Here, here, and I might be wrong, it feels like it's a dent right there, but I don't know. Anywho, I'm getting ready to take it to the, I'm getting ready to take the tire off and fix that nail. I think that's where it's leaking. The funny thing is this, it was 29 PSI Monday. I mean Tuesday, Monday evening, I'm sorry, when I went to go to work. And I guess it leaked down to 29 and stopped because it has never gone flat. This is Saturday, and I noticed the leak Monday. The truck been sitting in the same spot. Guys, this is one wide ass tire. This is a 285 50/18. No, this is not the stock tire size for my truck. It's actually 265 70/18. I'm sorry, 265 6/18. I wanted a wide tire because I thought I needed it for traction, but the tire is slightly too short. But I'm not getting any check engine lights, ABS, everything still works. This tire been on for, I don't know, 10,000 miles, I believe. Haven't had any problem. But found out if you have an F-150 and you want good traction, you don't have to put a wider tire. Just put some damn good tires. The truck came with hand cooked, and they were no good in rain. They spin too easily in rain. The Continental don't spin as much. Yeah, they are wider, but I really believe if I had gotten them the same size, they probably still wouldn't spin that much, because these things got incredible grip. Word of advice: if you have an F-150 and you want to have good stopping power, buy the original brake pads. Don't buy AutoZone, don't buy none of that damn aftermarket. Buy original Ford Motorcraft brake pads from the dealership if you want your truck to stop good. Them damn cheap brake pads, I mean, even I spent $84 for these AutoZone Elite. They stop okay normal driving, but if you drive fast, they start to fade. Quite a bit of brake dust. Before you plug a tire, you want to always put air in the tire, get it hard, because it's easier to plug a tire that has 40 PSI than 25. But what this video is about to tell you is, how about this has gone bad. So how do I know this is going bad? Something reason it won't allow air to come out with much force. So I got to replace this. All right, I'm positive this is bad because I just took it off, hooked the air line up to that, and air shot out like crazy. So this is going bad. So I'm going to Home Depot to get another one. Well guys, that's what it was. This thing right here. I went to Home Depot, bought another one, screwed it on. Now air comes out like it used to. I like the little color right there. Alright, so now I'll put air in the tire. So let's see, can we put, this is a Continental tire. I think I plugged a Continental on my Golf, I think. Just in case, I'm gonna put some WD-40 on it anyway. This will help the plug slide in, bro. I'm gonna try to pull it out the pliers first. Damn bolt. Damn bolt. some safety glasses also. Alright, let's get the plug ready. Turn it as you push it. Sometimes you have to turn it like this. And this sucker do not want to go in. Ooh, that sucker don't want to go in. Not the prettiest thing, put it in. One thing is leaking. It's not leaking. All right, wire cutters and try to cut this off. Sometimes you can't cut the whole thing at once, so try to cut in half. The more you cut off, the smoother your tire will ride. Now let's check to see how much pressure is here. Alright, it's 35. I think my truck tire I can get 40. F-150, 2016 F-150. Almost at 40. All right, we're at 40. Now I need to drop the pressure down. Looks like I'm wearing out the center of the tire. This is the best way to clean wheels if you have a bad back or you just don't like bending over. Take the damn tire off and sit up on something. Probably say, well, damn, black shit, just so much back power to put it up there. Yeah, but my back don't hurt when I'm doing this right here, like it does when I'm bent over. Just thought I might be able to help somebody out. So why am I cleaning the inside of the wheel? It looks better when you look at the spokes when it's clean. When you get the right side of the table, you can even sit down while you're doing this.